Welcome to the Shift Scheduler tool. The Shift Scheduler allows users to view shifts and assign talent in a calendar view. To access the Shift Scheduler, click on this icon. This will display two sections, Programs and Talent Groups. Let's explore the Program section. This will display a list of programs that are available in our system. Click on Apex Vortex Program. This section displays shifts and assigned talent in a calendar view for the current week that belongs to the selected program. The talents are listed on the left side of the screen while the shifts are shown across the top row. The corner edge indicates shifts assigned to a talent who belongs to the selected program, even though the shift itself belongs to a different program. The legends are defined in the system by default, and certain statuses are assigned specific colors. These colors can be configured by contacting the administrator. Now let's drag a shift onto a talent. Once assigned, the shift color will change to blue to indicate that the talent is committed, and the hours will be updated accordingly. Now let us drag another shift, and the hours gets updated as well. The duration of the payroll specialist shift is 9 hours, which exceeds the daily limit. As a result, daily overtime will be displayed, and the daily hours in the talent hours section will also be updated accordingly. Let's assign a few more shifts so that the total hours exceed the weekly limit. Once this happens, a weekly overtime pop-up will be displayed. The hours have been updated. Let's complete the shift. Once completed, the shift color will change to green, as defined by the default settings, and the hours will be updated accordingly. Now, let us explore the icons on the shift. Pencil icon allows us to edit and change the status of the talent shift assignment. Drag icon allows us to move or drag the shift. Tick icon allows us to complete the shift. As soon as we click on it, the shift will be marked as completed. Bin icon allows us to delete the shift assignment status for a talent. When we click on it, the talent will be unassigned from the shift. We can also view the shifts for the previous or next week. Click on the back icon to view the shifts for the previous week. Similarly, click on the next icon to view the shifts for the upcoming week.